I know your time and money matter. So today I'll show you 5 tricks to maximize your AI credits and save hours of editing time too. When an AI generated clip isn't long enough, you might not need to burn more credits. Slow it down instead. Select your clip and go to the speed panel up here and drop the speed for 0.3, 0.5 or as much as you need. For best quality, select optical flow down here so the motion stays smooth. This solves the duration problem of the video in many cases when you need a longer video and don't want to spend more credits. Whether you record your own voiceover or generate it with AI, trimming silence by hand one cut at a time is a huge waste of time. Filmora has automatic silence detection. First, right-click on your audio, then on Smart Edit Tool and Silence Detection. On the right, you will find some settings you can adjust, then click on Analyze, and finally on Finish and Replace. And that's it. You get your audio running smoothly. If you generate AI images with timestamps, then you have to go and drag each one into the Filmora timeline by hand. But with Filmora Sync Bot, you only need to select your Filmora project and your images folder, click on Generate Project, and it auto-syncs everything to the timeline. I leave you a link to the app and full tutorials on the description if you want to know more. If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button and don't miss the next one. Let's continue with the next tip. Stop building your subtitle style from scratch every time. Just double click on your subtitles and then click on Customize on the panel of the right. Now you can customize everything you want here, like the shadow, the background, the color, and you can change the font, the size, the alignment, etc. Now just click on this button right here that says Save as Preset and you will have it saved for the next time you want to use it. Just click on Preset and then on Custom Presets and voila, there it is. And one more thing before you go. To get that paper texture look that is becoming popular right now, you can use my free video texture. No need to pay for effects. Add the paper texture layer above your video. Set the blend mode to multiply, overlay, or whatever you want, depending on the effect you want to get. Adjust the opacity to control the intensity, and you're done. The free filter file is ready to import. Just download it on my Gumroad. The link is in the description. Hope you save a ton of time editing and stretch your AI credits further after watching this video. Don't forget to grab the free filter linked in the description. And before you go, check out this video about Filmora Sync Bot. It shows you exactly how it works and how it can eliminate one of the biggest headaches on your editing workflow. See you there!